tell me, is it you, girl? Is it you, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with episode 5 in my Inspiring Women Wednesday series. This week I am focusing on Madison from Madison Miller, and I'm super excited to talk about Madison and share her channel with you because, as you know, the same as the rest of these influencers that I've been focusing on, I just really admire Madison. I think that she puts out great content. You can tell that she puts a lot of work into the videos that she makes, and I really enjoy watching her videos that she puts up. Her most recent video is actually her birth story. She recently gave birth. She and her husband have a little girl now. They named her Riley Ray. So congratulations, Madison and Joel. That's super exciting, and I'm very happy for you guys. So I will have Madison's channel linked down below if you are interested in going and checking out her channel and maybe meeting Miss Riley over there. All of her social media will be linked down below as always. You can find her Twitter, her Instagram, any social media that I know of that she has, it will be linked down below. You can also follow her vlog channel, which is called Life of Maddie, where, you know, you get to see more of like an everyday type of thing instead of just like the beauty content that she puts out on her main channel. Now, Madison has over 500,000 subscribers. She has been on YouTube for quite a while now. She joined YouTube in 2015, so about 3 years ago. She's been uploading videos, and her very first video that she uploaded was a kind of like a get to know her quick little video, and then her most her first one after that, like an actual full-length video, it was I believe it was a get ready with me my winter routine or winter tutorial, something like that. And then, like I mentioned before, her latest video was the meet Riley, this is my birth story video. Madison used to work as a preschool teacher, which is something that she and I have in common. I've mentioned it a few times on my channel, and I mentioned it a little bit last week or 2 weeks ago when I was talking about Jessica from Jessica Braun or Jam Beauty 89 on episode 4. I mentioned that Jessica was a teacher and educator, and Madison, she used to teach preschool. I also used to teach preschool. I taught for 6 years, so sometimes she mentioned things about the child development field, or when she was talking about her week updates when she was pregnant with Riley, some things that are familiar to me from taking these education classes. I have my associates and my bachelor's in child development and child and adolescent development, and then I'm working on my teaching credential and master's in education. So we share a common field, a common background, and I really enjoy learning that about people, and I really enjoy that Madison, when she talks to the camera, she really feels like she's speaking to you. She has a way of talking to you and teaching you different things that make you feel like you're learning, and it's just a really calming, nice feeling. It's the same thing that I mentioned about Jessica being a teacher and having that personality, that ability to speak to the camera and connect with your viewers. Some of my favorite videos that Madison puts out is on Saturday. She films her PR hauls, so she'll film everything that she receives from different companies, and she'll go through and she'll talk about everything, and she does a very thorough reveal. I really appreciate that. And then on Tuesday, she'll upload a video where she uses some of the new products that she receives, and she'll talk about the pros and the cons about these different products and why she likes them or why she doesn't like them, why they worked, why they didn't work. But everything is done in a very respectable, just happy overall type of tone. Like, there's not really negativity in it, even if she doesn't like a product. Everything is very respectful, and I really do appreciate that. She also puts out a lot of haul videos, a lot of like best and worst or favorite type videos, and she is an Ipsy stylist, so she gets to work with Ipsy, and she puts out a lot of Ipsy related videos, like Ipsy on baggings, instead of just getting the 5 or 6 products a month that we get as the purchasers of the bag. Because she's an Ipsy stylist and works directly with Ipsy, she's able to get everything that everyone could have potentially received, and she'll review those for us. So if there's a product that we get and we're not sure how to use it or what it is, she will go through and she'll talk about it, and she'll use that product or review that product for us so that we are aware of how to do it, how to use it correctly. And another thing that I really like about Madison is that she puts out incredible tutorials. They are some of the best tutorials that I've ever seen. They're easy to follow. They are some of the most beautiful looks. I actually have a Madison Miller inspired eyeshadow tutorial that I uploaded a couple months ago. I will link that down below as well. But I just really like how she mixes the shadows together and blends them out. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a work of art, and I love seeing her tutorials and seeing the different looks that she creates. She tends to bring the eyeshadow up higher, closer to the brow bone, which is something that I didn't used to do, but after watching her tutorials and seeing how pretty it looked, I started doing that as well. So I've learned a bunch of new skills from Madison as well. As I mentioned before, I will leave all of her information linked down below so that you can go and check her out. Go give her some love, let her know that I sent you. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these videos. I will have a new episode coming out in 2 weeks featuring another Ipsy stylist, someone who also creates some wonderful tutorials. I really enjoy watching her, and I will talk to you guys before that. But hopefully, like I said, you guys are enjoying this. Leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me.